The marquesita. It's one of Mexico's tastiest treats that originated in Merida when an ice cream vendor came up with it in the cold winters of 1945 where ice cream sales went down. So he wanted to find a way to use the waffle cones differently. And since then, this tasty dessert has spread across other parts of the Yucatan Peninsula. Alright, just made it to 5th Street. We are excited because we are about to try the marisquero. It's like a famous dessert. They have it all over the street. It looks delicious. It's, kind of rained a little bit earlier, so I feel like this is the perfect time to try it out for the first time. So I'm gonna order one and we're gonna see how they make it, and then we're gonna give it a shot. So let's see what happens. Alright, just made it to the marquesita stand. This is like the stand where they sell their dessert here in Mexico. Playa del Carmen, it's pretty famous out here. These stands usually come out like after 5-6 o'clock, at least that's what I've seen them the most. And they sell quick dessert. It's like a mix of dessert, but they also make it with cheese, so I don't know how it will taste. I'm kind of curious how it is, but I'll show you how they make it out here. People are super friendly, and the buyers, they love getting their marquesita in the evening. It's like a little dessert, so people enjoy it a lot out here. I'll try it out for the first time. I'll show you how they make it, and then we'll try it together. So excited! As you can see, this is the stand out here. There's like a couple of them on this side as well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Right, looks like the famous order is with Nutella. Dime entonces, ¿cuánto es para una, por ejemplo?
De un ingrediente 40, Nutella y queso 50. Y de 13 con Nutella 60.
¿Y la gente le gusta más cuál?
La típica es Nutella y queso.
Nutella y queso. Y la última que acabo de ver estaba de Kinder Bueno o algo como así.
Bueno, sí.
Esto parece muy bien también.
Ajá, sí. Está chido. Sí. Casi todos lo que piden. Luego uno de...
Hay otro, esto es la lechera. ¿Qué es esto?
Sí, con lechera.
Es cream cheese.
Bueno.
¿Esto es qué?
Lechera.
Lechera.
Sí.
Esto para qué. The marquesitas are like a crunchy crepe. They're made of dough that comprises eggs, butter, milk, and flour, and then they're pressed into a grill to cook and make the thin crepe. Then you can choose many different fillings inside and on top of the marquesitas, and these fillings could be cream cheese, chocolate, custard, jam, or dulce de leche. It's also known as the cajeta. ¿Y cómo aprendes a hacer esto? ¿Cómo aprendes a hacer esto?
Ahí me enseñaron un ratito.
¿Esto se vende solamente aquí en playa o en todo México?
Sí, casi todo México.
¿Todo México?
Sí, ya existe.
¿Es una tradición o de dónde viene esto?
Sí, 70.
You're not gonna try it? You're gonna try it. You're gonna try it. Está bonito, está bueno. Sí. Qué artista. Gracias. All right, cool. Time for me to try it. I've been waiting for this for a minute. Mine is a little bit special. As you can see, it has the Kinder Bueno on top. Got some bananas, Nutella inside. It looks amazing. I'm excited. Hopefully, I'm not gonna regret it tomorrow, but we'll see how it tastes. Look at this. It's so good. The top is very crunchy and thin. The inside is filled with chocolate. I don't know if I look like a mess, but this is amazing. No lie. Give me a second. Hold on. En serio está bueno. Very happy. It's amazing. It's amazing and this costs $24. Highly recommended. Thank you very much.